Hello guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Bitcoin trading in the currency US dollar, BTCUSD. Yeah, I give you here my brand new chart update. Yeah, price action right now is not surprising. I think this is some part of the pullback. March is always a bearish month, guys, and I give you now here my full chart analysis on Bitcoin and of course the price goals which I expect next. I can say that already from the beginning here. I am still bullish on Bitcoin. The market is bullish. We have a pullback, guys. This is normal. This is part of the game. March is usually very bearish. This is a very bearish month, and if you think it is more wise now to trade crypto or stocks, guys, you can see that everything is connected. Here is my overview about the most popular American stocks. You can see red, guys, everything red, and when we go here down in the crypto section, everything red. Just gold is still here plus 1%. That's why I say when the market makers decide to pull out their money or to sell some positions, take profits, guys, there is nothing you can do. But what is good that we still have here a lot of short squeezes in the market and of course still high squeeze potential. If you're new to my channel here, of course the main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why I share my knowledge, and I will of course show you here all the chart details for Bitcoin, but I also try to predict short squeezes here in the market. And my honest opinion, guys, if you are here a crypto trader or invested in crypto, this is not wrong, guys. Everything is good. But in my opinion, stocks are more easy to trade because we have here some events in the chart and events in the background, which makes it very predictable when a stock can squeeze and of course to which price levels, guys. What I mean by that, I made here, I always make here my squeeze predictions here on Patreon. This is here a quick summary what happened in February. We had here short squeezes after my prediction, of course, between 150 and 800% in a couple of days, of course. So when I try to predict squeezes or when I expect a stock to squeeze, then I expect to happen that these squeezes happen here in the very few next trading days. Therefore, I always publish here my swing trade alerts on Patreon and my so-called hot stocks, guys. If you want to see that content, if you're also into stock trading, check out my Patreon, guys. We're growing every day. And by the way, guys, thank you so much for 20,000 followers here on YouTube. I appreciate that, and we will keep on growing and growing and going, guys. So the link to the Patreon membership is here in the video description. The full package membership is the way to go, where you get, of course, my brand new hot stock updates, my trading alerts, and of course another different content here like a member FAQ section, trading tutorials and stuff like that, guys. It doesn't matter if you're a crypto trader or stock trader, everybody is welcome here to join in. So guys, Bitcoin, let's now stop talking here about nonsense. Let's here now check the chart. And first of all, I want to show you here the indicators. We start in the weekly chart. For Bitcoin, guys, as I said, March is a bearish month, is well known for pullbacks, and after a market pullback, we will see the next rip, at least based on the market signals which we have right now. I also released today a brand new video on Patreon where I show you the overall market situation and where I maybe go short or not, and when I go short, so you can also check that out on Patreon, guys. And this is here what we have for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a very strong support here at this purple EMA line. I usually don't use EMA lines in my trading strategies, but just to make it now very visible here to see that this purple line is a strong support. Last time that Bitcoin retested this price level here was in August 2024 and September. By the way, September is usually also a very bearish month, and you can see that we start to rip here since then. So what does that mean? That we are not bearish until we trade here in the $77,000 range. But even if we come lower than that, guys, Bitcoin is still in a bullish structure here. As long as we don't see lower lows, I am not bearish on Bitcoin. I have some higher price goals. I show you that here in the chart, guys. So we don't need the indicators here. And we switch to the daily chart. You can already see that here. So this is what we have right now. This is a typical bull flag pattern. We had the same here, accumulation in a bull flag pattern before we broke out. You can see, boom, leg up here, huge leg up, and now we are accumulating here in this trend channel pattern, guys, or this bull flag pattern. And what does that mean? That Bitcoin should come down here, in my opinion. I think $75,000 is absolutely realistic that we have a dip like that. And if the market is super bearish in March and April, even $62,000 would be possible for a dip. I think we maybe come not low like this, but somewhere here in the $70,000 range is absolute possible here, $70,000 before we see the potential next bull run for Bitcoin. My price levels have never changed, guys. My chart never changes, always the same. We have the same supply and demand zones here, and the algo landing zone, which I calculated here for Bitcoin after the market bottom is in. I think maybe here by the end of April, beginning of May, we should see the next short squeeze rally. As I said, I will also inform you here on my channel when the market turns bearish. This is just a pullback. We are not in a bear market, because when we are in a bear market, guys, yeah, fasten your seatbelts, because we could go much lower than that. You can see the Bitcoin demand zone is waiting here at $30,000. I know you don't want to hear that if you are super bullish on Bitcoin, but it is what it is. When the market makers decide to turn bearish, sell off their Bitcoin positions, guys, you can easily see $30,000 and lower. This is based on the chart possible. But for now, as I said, I am bullish. I expect a pullback to happen here in the next days and weeks. And then the next algo landing zone for Bitcoin should be here between 124,000 and 144,000 US dollar. This is the lowest price goal I expect for the next bull run. Then we have to wait what the market makers do. If they start to initiate the bear market, which I personally expect in 2025 to happen, maybe by the end of the year. But as I said, I will update you here on my channel when it's time to go short. Yeah, guys, when you want to copy the price levels here, I zoom out for you that you can see all the price levels. $62,000 is, in my opinion, a very strong support for Bitcoin. So I will not be surprised if we see a price between $70,000 and $62,000 before we see the next rip. And that maybe you don't like what I say here, but guys, this is still a potential for everybody who didn't buy Bitcoin yet. This is a potential here for a 100 to 130% run. Not financial advice, but this is what I see here based on the chart. If you want to copy here my price goals, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my personal trades. And if you want to learn trading, guys, you need to understand where the algo zones are waiting here. And for that, you need a good chart tool. That's why I recommend TradingView in all my videos, guys. You can get here a $15 discount if you want to get TradingView today. There is a $15 discount on the premium tier. And also the link here to the special discount link is in the video description. Yeah, my friends, that was my quick and dirty update. I will keep you updated here, and if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support, and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Bitcoin Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.